Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling HDCP on PlayStation 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open System. In System Settings, select the second heading on the left called HDMI. In HDMI settings, disable the setting called Enable HDCP, or enable it if you want to turn it on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.